here with another video. What I got for y'all today is basically how I will be achieving the wet look. But hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what it is. If you're not new, hey, welcome back, cool kid. You already know I'm coming at you with a banger for sure. But anyways, yes, I will be talking more about this hair. But for now, make sure you leave a big thumbs up, comment some more video ideas down below, and also subscribe and ding that bell so you will get notified the next time I upload a video. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so as you see, I do have a new hairstyle. Yes. But this hair right here is Beauty Forever. It is Malaysian curly hair. I do have a closure. It is 14-inch closure with 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles. And so, you know, this hair, I've had it in for 2 days and I have not had that much shedding. Like some bundles be shedding, but this bundle right here, I haven't even really shed that much for 2 days. So, you know, that's definitely good. And it doesn't get tangled that much, like, you know, how all curly hair gets tangled, but this hair does not get tangled that much. So that's another good thing. And I've just been really liking this hair so far. Like, I like how it looks, but yeah. So this is how the hair looks in the back. You see, that's how it looks. So it's pretty long. You know, I kind of wish I did get longer, but it's okay though. So it kind of stops to like right here. So yeah, but I'll be achieving this wet look like how I said. I've watched a few videos and a lot of people are using Eco Styler, and I'm not a fan of Eco Styler anymore. I'm just, yeah, I'm not really messing with it anymore. So yeah, but anyways, let me tell you, all curly hair gets dry. Curly hair is not gonna stay looking wet all day long, but this right here is definitely gonna help you keep your hair looking wet, because yesterday I already tried it. Hair stayed looking wet all day long, period. So yeah, but these products right here, they are inexpensive. They wasn't really that much, especially what I'll be using. And yeah, but I want to get into the video now because I have been talking a lot and I know you guys are tired of me talking, so let's get into the wet look. So first thing first is I will be wanting to wet this brush, or yeah, I don't know if you want to call this a paddle brush or not, but yeah. So I will just be wanting to wet it and kind of just going through the hair, and you want to go through the bottom of the hair to the roots. You don't want to start brushing from the top to the bottom, because, you know, curly hair, that's something you don't want to do at all. So yeah. And also this hair is pretty poofy, so doing this does keep it from not looking poofy like how it was just looking on me about 3 minutes ago or so, 10 seconds ago. I don't really know exactly, but you know how poofy it looked. So yeah, you see, it's looking a little tame. Oh my god. It's looking a little tamed now. So yeah, you see, it's looking really good. I just need to wet the front a little bit more. And yeah. So that is my left side, and I will be starting the right side. So y'all kind of do see the difference. You can see the curls a bit more since it's wet, and it does look like a little more flat. It doesn't look so poofy or whatever. So this hair company, they do also have frontals, but I am not much of a frontal girl, but their frontals are just as good as a closure. You know, people may think, oh, my closure is a frontal sometimes. So yeah, either or works just fine. So work with what you like. And they also do have more like textures They don't only have Malaysian curly, they do have like straight. And yeah, you know, just go through it. Everything will be in the description down below. So yeah. This is how it is looking so far after just like wetting it. You know, it's taking me a while to wet the hair, but it's okay, because if you want your hair to look good, it takes a while, you know. Okay. But you know, okay, so the hair is pretty much all wet now, as you see. So yeah, it's not that poofy like how it was. I like it like this. This is how it looks in the back. So yeah, that's how it looks. And now we will be going through what our products are, or the products that I'll be using to keep your hair looking like this. Okay, so the product that I'll be using is Talia. My bad if I say that wrong or anything, because I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Wajid. It is curly curl cream, and this was $6.99 from, you know, your local beauty supply store. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then you don't want to use that much because it's really not that necessary. So yeah, I'm gonna use like this much. You know, this is a lot for just one side, but you'll be just one to go through it. So you also want to always pay more attention to the ends, and then you want to start from the root. So when it comes to curly hair, you always want to start from the bottom and then go to the top. So yeah, then I'm gonna just grab a little bit more and then go to the top, bottom to the top, bottom to the top. So yeah, and then it's not white or anything, so you really can't even tell that there's product in it. And also some more products that would work is like Miss Jessie's, but Miss Jessie is really expensive. So if you have Miss Jessie type of money, then go ahead and get that. But for now, we will be working with the $6.99. And that is also kind of expensive, but you know, it's worth it. So I'm gonna just put like a little bit more, you know. I might not need it, but I think I do. So kind of just like from the back. And then also another thing, if you want to achieve this wet look, then you can't keep messing with your hair, because messing with your hair is going to make it poof up. You kind of just need to let it do its thing, because messing with it, not the right thing to do. So yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, this is the hair right here, fully with the stuff in it. And also you can go in with some mousse. This really ain't mousse or whatever, but yeah, you can go in with it and then kind of just like put it at the top. And this does dry, so it's not gonna stay white the whole time. So yes, y'all, I'm done. This is my wet look, and honestly, this will last me for the rest of the day, period. So you know, everything to Beauty Forever will be in the description down below, even the hair that I have. So go ahead and check that out in the description. So yeah, but I hope you did enjoy. If you did, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up. Should have already done it, but you know, it's okay. I'm gonna let you pass. And comment some more video ideas down below. Also, subscribe and ding that bell so you will get notified the next time I upload a video. So I will see you cool kids in the next video. Bye.